Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rose quartz wig using only 2 wigs. You'll need 2 wigs, stuffing our plastic bags, a wide bristle brush, hairspray, many pens, hot water, and a foam head. Optional are flowers and jewels to decorate. Now here you're going to need your wigs. Now something I didn't mention was you're going to need the hairnet that comes around it. Not the hairnet you put on your head, but the hairnet that comes around the wig. All right, next you're going to have your curlers handy so you can start curling the wig. Start by pinning your wig to the foam head. I used long sewing pins. This was the easiest and they actually stayed in pretty good. It was real easy and I recommend you do it. Then take your brush and start brushing through the hair. Make sure there are no tangles or knots because it will come out through the curl. Afterwards, you're just going to start curling however you like. I just happen to have these dollar store curls. They worked phenomenal. The wig turned out amazing. But yeah, this is just some footage of me curling. Alright, so here I am just fixing the bangs. We're not going to need those until later. But yeah, here's, how they are. The next few scenes are just footage of me curling the hair. Okay, once you have your whole wig curled, you're going to get the hot water down. So start by boiling a pot on the stove. I think that's a stove. Get a strainer and this. I'm sure you have it in your home. If not, a bowl will work. I don't really know why I need the strainer. You're also going to need a towel and some tongs. If not, you're going to burn your hands. I started by putting the bowl in the sink and then put the strainer over it. You don't really need the strainer because I ended up not needing it. But then you're going to pour the water on there. Make sure it's not boiling hot, but hot enough where it's going to make the wig, stay in place. Afterwards, I just move the wig around, making sure everything got coated. This is important. If you don't coat some of the wig, the curls might not be as strong as the other ones. Then place it on a towel and pat it out. I thought the strainer would help, but, And here are a few scenes of my kitty cat. Her name is Luna. She is very affectionate. Here is the wig after I decurled it. I didn't have any other footage besides the Snapchat filter footage. But yeah, here's this picture I took. It looks really good. I love it. And then you're going to do this with your other wig. Here is where you're going to need the stuffing and the hairnet. I just bobby pinned it to the wig because that's going to be like the bump. You're going to take your second wig that's already curled and just place it over there. I pushed the bangs under the wig and, I just fixed it up. And here I am just fixing it up. Once you have both of your wigs stacked on top of each other, start bobby pinning them together by getting the actual wig part and stuff. Here I am making some decorations. I'm sure you can just follow it by the video. I wanted to talk about the bangs real quick because I didn't go over this in the footage I had. I just styled them using glue hairspray. It's in the yellow can. I'm sure you can find it at Walmart. I will put the name of it in the description. But I just styled them to the side. I left a few strands out just for the side bang things. But yeah, I didn't show that in the video. I'm sorry about that. But here I am just making decorations. For smaller flowers that didn't have such a stem, I just glued them to these hair clips and they worked fine. I just clipped them in and then threw some hair over it and they worked just fine. Here is where I mentioned that the bobby pin was sticking out. I know that's a sewing pin, but I just put it there so I wouldn't forget. The wig turned out amazing. I wish I put more flowers in it, but I'm going to be showing you some footage I made of me cosplaying and making a video in my wig because it's awesome.
They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, all day, pray to...
Thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube tutorial. I think this turned out amazing, and I hope future projects will be just as awesome as this one. Comment down below anything you want to see, and like this video if you enjoyed it or it helped you out.